Hi, I'm Jeff Brazil with the online programs from the University of Arkansas. In this chat, you will hear from Melody Miller, the Assistant Director of Marketing from the College of Engineering. Melody is going to talk about the Microcertificate in Advanced Air Mobility and Autonomous Operations. Hello, Melody. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, Jeff. Thank you.
Yeah, we're very excited about it. Could you kind of give us a breakdown on this Microcertificate?
I can, absolutely. First, it is the longest name that we could think of for a very short topic. It's really about drone aircraft. So it's advanced air mobility, autonomous operations. That is really learning how to fly drone aircraft. Very exciting program. It actually prepares students. It gives them that specialized knowledge and specialized skill that they need for the FAA remote pilot certification, which is a part of that program as well.
Wow, that's a great Microcertificate. That sounds really awesome.
Absolutely.
With this Microcertificate, can you stack this Microcertificate for a master's degree?
You can, absolutely. It's the very best part. This Microcertificate and all of our Microcertificates are actually 2-course series. So it's 6 credit hours, 2 courses. That can be 2 courses toward a 10-course master's degree in either operations management or engineering management. But it also stacks with some of our other graduate certificates. So for instance, this one in particular stacks very nicely with our Homeland Security graduate certificate. It can be half of that certificate. It double counts. So students get credit for the courses that they took here for both the Microcertificate and the graduate certificate. And then ultimately, should they decide to do the master's program, the master's as well, they get to double dip, triple dip at that point.
That's fantastic. That's
Absolutely.
awesome. Well, Melody, we're so thankful that you joined us today with all this great information, and thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching. And if you have any questions and are interested in any of our online programs offered, you can visit our website or the contact information that is listed in this video. Have a great day, and remember, go Hogs.